66 million years ago, the most successful animals to ever walk this planet had no idea their world was about to end. They had survived ice ages, volcanoes, and 165 million years of evolution. But on one ordinary afternoon, a light appeared in the sky that no dinosaur had ever seen before. It was moving too fast, it was too bright, and it was not slowing down. In the next 60 seconds, 99.99% of every living thing on Earth would begin to die. Not over centuries, not over years, in minutes. This is the story of the last day the dinosaurs ever saw. And what happened in those final hours still shapes the reason you exist today.
The date scientists believe was in springtime in the northern hemisphere, though no calendar could have recorded it. A Tyrannosaurus rex was likely alive that morning, along with Triceratops herds grazing across what is now North America. The world was warm, lush, and covered in dense forests that had thrived for over 100 million years. Nothing about that morning suggested it would be the final one this ecosystem would ever experience. 7 miles above the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, something was already falling.
The object was an asteroid roughly 6 miles wide, moving at nearly 45,000 miles per hour. At that speed, it did not simply fall from the sky. It tore through the atmosphere in less than 2 seconds. There was no time for warning, no time for evolution, no time for instinct to react. When it struck the shallow sea near what is now Chicxulub, it released energy equal to billions of atomic bombs. In that instant, an entire ecosystem and nearly every large animal on Earth was given a death sentence.
The impact itself only lasted moments, but its effects reshaped the entire planet within hours. A crater over 90 miles wide was carved into the Earth, deeper than the ocean above it. Molten rock and vaporized stone were blasted upward, some of it flying completely out of the atmosphere. Within 1,000 miles, the shockwave alone would have killed almost everything instantly. But the asteroid strike itself was only the beginning of what was coming next.
Seconds after impact, a wall of superheated debris raced outward, faster than any animal could ever run. Temperatures near the impact site may have briefly exceeded those on the surface of the sun. Forests hundreds of miles away are believed to have ignited within minutes, not from fire, but from radiant heat alone. Massive tsunamis, some estimated over 100 feet tall, tore across ancient coastlines almost immediately. For any dinosaur near the Gulf of Mexico that day, there was no chance to understand what was happening.
But the animals farther away, thousands of miles from the crater, believed they might survive. For a few hours, they may have been right. Then the sky began to change. Ash, dust, and vaporized rock had been thrown into the upper atmosphere. Within days, this debris would circle the entire planet, and sunlight would begin to disappear. The survivors of the impact were about to face an enemy far slower and far more merciless than fire.
With sunlight blocked, global temperatures dropped sharply, and plants that had thrived for millions of years began to die. Photosynthesis, the foundation of nearly all life on Earth, began shutting down across entire continents. Herbivorous dinosaurs, some weighing tens of thousands of pounds, could no longer find enough food to survive. As plant eaters starved and vanished, the predators that depended on them soon followed the same fate. This wasn't a single moment of death. It was a slow collapse of an entire world, piece by piece.
For nearly 2 years, scientists believe the skies remained darkened and the planet stayed locked in what is now called an impact winter. Roughly 75% of all species on Earth disappeared during this period, including every non-avian dinosaur species known to science. Some of the largest, most dominant animals in Earth's history, creatures that had ruled for over 165 million years, simply vanished from the fossil record. Yet in the shadows, in burrows and along riverbanks, something small was still alive. Tiny, warm-blooded creatures, barely bigger than a rat, were quietly surviving what nothing else could.
Those small survivors were early mammals, And without the extinction of the dinosaurs, they may never have had the chance to evolve further. With the giants gone, ecosystems reopened, and for the first time in over 100 million years, mammals were free to grow, adapt, and diversify. Over the next 66 million years, their descendants would eventually walk upright, build civilizations, and ask questions about the very asteroid that gave them their chance. The dinosaurs did not fail. They ruled this planet longer than mammals have existed at all. They simply met something no living creature on Earth was ever prepared for. And in their ending, life found a new beginning.